All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today, I'm going to be going over how I made just over $1,000 today trading the NASDAQ. I did make a little bit more than this. There's one account that's not accounted for, so pretty much just add $137 to this. I also should have made more. I was up $200 at one point and decided to take one more trade, risking about 80 bucks. It wasn't a bad trade in my opinion, and it did end up running for a little bit of profit, but I ended up getting stopped out. All right, so same thing every day. I have it already set up today. We have our pre-market high, we have our pre-market low, as well as that Asia low. This market has been doing nothing but running straight up to the moon. So, of course, I'm leaning more towards longs, but at the end of the day, we take whatever the market presents us as long as it's within our parameters. So, as we do every day, we mark out our 15-minute range. That is the box you see on screen. So, I did take a trade that I ended up cutting early at break even based upon volume and price action. I was like, I feel more comfortable getting out of this because there are signs that this wants to go down. But I was in the longs and I would have caught a banger, but it's okay. So this candle right here, although it's in the 15-minute range, it has beautiful structure saying it wants to go up, as well as volume confirmation. Despite it not being a breakout candle, I did take these longs. My average was right around here, around VWAP and around that 50% retracement with about 40 points of risk. And I would have caught this entire move up for over 150 points. But hey, I stopped it early because there were things telling me it wanted to go lower. Should I have kept it? Maybe. Maybe I could have just taken some risk off. Um, but that's okay. I then had to sit here all the way until 11:15 when I saw this candle up here. We were ranging for a little bit, finally broke out to the upside. We had rising volume, but I would have stopped out on this trade if I didn't make one adjustment. After this massive move up, I wanted a deeper retracement on this candle, and I really didn't want my stops to be here, and I would have gotten wicked out. So I actually put my stop at the bottom of this candle down around 516. I marked out this candle high, low, just to have an idea of the 50% retracement, and I ended up entering around 540, placing my stop below that red candle for about 20 points and then took some trims along the way up to high of day. This put me up over 200. I did try more longs right at the top. Didn't work out, but I only risked 80 bucks, so it was some of my profits, so not bad. Also, I know I didn't upload yesterday. That's because it was a very boring day. You can see ended up pretty much break even. But 3 green days, no matter how much money, is pretty good. So up $409 times 9 funded accounts. You do the math. That's not too bad for 3 days. On to Thursday and Friday, being super, super patient. Can this be a green bean week leak? We will see. See you tomorrow. I have chicken hot dogs boiling right now, and I can smell them from my room. Not good. Goodbye.